Cleaning a paint roller just got easier thanks to the MARSHALLTOWN Roller Cleaner, an all-in-one solution that quickly cleans and restores rollers so they can be reused for multiple paint projects. The roller cleaner features two built-in tools to remove paint, a scraper on one end and a garden hose attachment on the other. The built-in contoured scraper drives the paint out of the roller. Continue to scrape until most of the paint has been removed and recaptured. Attach the roller cleaner to a garden hose. Then insert the roller into the roller cleaner with the frame still attached. Rotate the roller frame and lock it in place. Turn on the water and watch the paint disappear. Continue to rinse over a 5-gallon bucket until the water runs clear. Remove the roller cleaner and the roller is ready to go for your next paint project. The MARSHALLTOWN Roller Cleaner is made from durable, heavy-duty plastic and is designed to fit over most 9-inch rollers up to 1/2-inch nap. Make cleanup easy, save paint, and reuse rollers multiple times with the MARSHALLTOWN Roller Cleaner.